So today, I think we're going to start a new series of Will It Mix into the Slime? Maybe we got to figure out another name. I don't know. So Stacy has picked something out, and I have picked something out. Stacy, what do you got first? Okay, all right. So we got some Kinetic sand. All right. So here you go. You ready for mine? Okay.
Oh my.
Doritos. Yes. So we're going to try to mix it into our white base and our clear, even though our clear has not totally cleared up. It's been sitting there for about a week, but it's really fuzzy. I put some baby oil in it, and it was super clear before I did that. I don't know if the baby oil like truly messed it up. So I think we're going to try the Kinetic sand first. So you want get some white? What's up?
We're going to have to start over.
Why?
I need some scissors.
Okay. Well, hold on. We're going to cut. I'll go grab some scissors real quick.
They're in that drawer.
I found some scissors. Let me just hand them to you nice and protective like. Okay. We got scissors now. Okay. All right. So our white base. White. And I'll give you some of this. Oh God, we probably should have got some borax. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. All right, that's yours.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna do mine. And probably what we should do is, so you guys can actually see, maybe I'll put this on the side. I'll put it on the ground, hopefully. Okay, all right. So, got the white base.
I should taste those.
No, not yet.
Okay.
That's for later. Okay. All right. So I'm thinking we just pour it in there and see if we can mix it. What do you think?
Okay. How much?
I don't know. I mean, it's really to see if it mixes. So.
Well, I gotta need the scissors.
All right. Okay. All right. Grab the scissors.
Oh my gosh.
Well, you know, we come prepared, as you can tell. How much is in there? That's a good bit.
I'm not gonna use it all.
I think it was what, like $6 at Walmart? It wasn't bad.
I'm not gonna use it all though.
Okay. Here. Well, here. Throw me some. Throw me some in there.
I thought you were doing the Doritos and I was doing the sand.
No. We're going to do the sand together. And then we'll do the sand together in the clear slime. And then we'll both do the Doritos.
Oh.
Yeah.
I misunderstood this project.
That's okay. That's okay. I mean, I want to test out the Kinetic.
How much you want?
I mean, I need more than that. That's like hook me up. Don't be stingy with it. All right, what are we gonna do?
I'm gonna keep some of it.
Okay, keep some of it. Okay, I'm gonna try to fold this in.
So I'm putting this in here?
Yeah, I guess. That's the thought process.
I thought you were going to do the Doritos in yours, and I was going to do the sand in
Oh
mine.
no, I definitely want to see you doing the Doritos too. So,
Ew.
all right, I'm gonna take mine out, and I'm gonna move this over here so you guys can get a good picture. Oh, it is super. Oh, I dropped some. It's weird. It's like, it's falling out. Okay, all right. It is definitely a little sticky. I did not bring any activator.
Is there not any in that behind you?
There might be, but that requires me getting up. This isn't bad, actually. This is it's kind of weird. You can feel the grittiness of the Kinetic sand, but it's definitely not like the thick and glossy of the white base now.
I kind of like this one.
It's different, right? my swirl attempt there. It's not too bad, actually. Can I get some more sand?
No.
Why not? I don't feel like I have enough sand. Throw me some sand right there.
That's plenty.
Throw me some more sand out there. Okay. All right. I'll fold this in. Like, I don't know why. This is relaxing, actually.
I like this one.
Yeah. Maybe we should make this one for our shop. This is very it's very different. We should probably save this, actually. I know we were talking about just chunking all these. Oh, this isn't bad. I wonder how long it will last.
You're making a mess.
I know. I wanted them to be able to see it. Not too bad. All right. So, there you go. Kinetic sand. It will mix. It's actually not a bad texture. Here, let me throw mine and yours. It's, our base is a little sticky today, so.
All right, we getting the clear?
It is. Yeah, well, let's do the clear. Oh, you don't have a bowl?
Oh, yeah. Well, we got these small ones.
Yeah, let's. It's a little small.
Maybe 8.
Okay. All right. Throw me. I would just bring it all up here.
I'm trying.
I would bring it all up here so we can. This poor clear. Like, I don't know if you would really. Maybe this is like a cloudy slime. Maybe it's a cloudy slime because this is definitely. Oh, that one's already got some purple in it from my hands. All right. Here. There you go. You can definitely tell I put some baby oil in this. And it's probably a little bit more over-activated than particular, but for the experiment, oh yeah.
One more?
No. I think this is good. Here, I'm gonna put this over here.
Oh, that looks funny.
It does look funny, doesn't it? Very weird. It's like dropping out of.
Popping.
I see that. Wow. A little messy. This is kind of cool though, because look how dark that purple is.
That looks cool.
It looks really freaking cool. Like, I really like this, actually. I don't know. It's different.
I like it.
It's very different.
I like how it, with the clear though, like
It's almost shimmery.
white, made it like a light purple.
This is really
And this
dark.
is like a deep dark purple.
And you can't really see it, but it's like super like shimmery.
It is.
And I don't know if that's just the base of the clear that we made or the kinetic sand, maybe both.
I like this one.
Very interesting. Very interesting. No, I like it. I actually like it. Maybe that's one that we use in the shop. I like this. Okay. I like that one.
Me too.
That's interesting. Kinetic sand, who would know? I mean, I guess. I mean, we're kind of new still, so we're trying to figure it out. So, what do you got? So you got kinetic sand in the clear. You got the kinetic sand in the white base. Oops. That white base is really sticky. Probably needs some activator, but it's not too bad. It's not too bad. All right, give us a sec. We're gonna go clean this up real quick because I think we should probably put those in some containers and keep them. I want to see how long they'll last. Will they last for 7, 8, 14 days? I don't know. All right, we'll be right back. All right, we're back. So we just threw those in another container. Obviously, the container didn't work because it didn't really seal, so probably gonna return that to Amazon. Got the white base. Got Doritos. I mean, like, you can't eat this after you mix it, okay? Like, just let me do that disclaimer now. Like, so probably, yeah, it's gonna be bad. Like, this is not edible, just because the Doritos are edible. All right, so.
Well, that's why I ate one before we started.
White base. White base. There's your white base, and I will take my white base, and we'll move this out of the way. Okay. Here, let me help you out here.
I don't know about this.
I just want to make sure
I don't know about this.
you get plenty in your bowl. What? We're gonna see if it's gonna mix, okay? Like, that's the whole.
We're gonna have cheesy fingers.
I know we'll have to wash our hands after this one. All right. Okay. It's a little crunchy, you know, a little nice little crunch there. I wonder if it's gonna turn the white orange.
Absolutely.
You know. I don't know. I feel like I need more glue.
You need slime?
Yes. Hey. I don't. Okay. All right. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. That is. I don't know. It's a little. All right. Hold on. We're just gonna take this. And here, I'll split it with you.
No, I'm good.
I'll give you some more. I'll give you some more there.
No, I'm good. I'm just gonna watch this one. I don't like this feeling.
I mean, you gotta mix it.
No, I tried.
How are they gonna know if it's
they
gonna
can
mix?
see yours very well.
How are you gonna know if it's
No,
gonna
they
mix
can,
or
they
not?
can observe yours very well.
I mean,
I don't like this.
You're doing a great job
I
over
don't
there.
like this at all.
I don't even know if I want to put this on the table.
No, I wouldn't.
All right. Well, it's on the table. I mean, it is completely.
Look at it. It's sticking to the table.
Yes, it is definitely sticking to the table. Hopefully you can see that. I can't just. It's weird because, like, you can feel the Doritos in it, but yet you can crush the Doritos that are in it too. So it's almost like a soggy Dorito, if that's a thing. How are you doing over there?
Not good.
Okay.
I'm just going to go ahead and put it out there. Doritos are better to eat than to mix in slime.
I mean, touche. I will probably go with that one. All right, so it actually turned it. What color is that?
Like a light orange.
Like a really light orange. Very, very sticky.
Like a sherbet.
Very sticky, and it definitely. I don't even know what to say because this thing is awful. I thought the Doritos was a great idea. I just want to point that out. You know, listen, you did pretty. Here, throw yours on. Throw yours. And get a big blob going here in the middle. That is a ton of freaking slime. All right. Definitely needed some activator a little bit, but it's not bad. It's not bad. I don't know, like, could we find something that was like Dorito based that we could put in the slime? Anyways, there you go.
It's kind of chunky.
It's a little chunky. I don't know if I would necessarily say It was interesting. It was, yeah, it's a little messy. It's a little messy.
We gotta clean
It
it up.
smells.
We gotta
It
do
smells actually really good. I mean, obviously, it smells like nacho cheese Doritos. So
We gotta do the clear one now, though.
oh yes, that's right. We gotta do the clear one. I forgot. Okay. Clear. Can you divvy out the clear? My hands are still a little. It's not too bad. I mean, it's definitely not clearing up. I gotta figure out something else. Okay. Here. You can, since I did the. Thank you. She gave me three. Three chips. Can I get some more chips? Okay, thank you. Well, it's not what I expected. I will say that. Are you okay over there? You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Just like you got this face. You sure? Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna give this to you,
Oh, okay. Thank you.
and I'm just gonna sit over here and eat some chips while you finish.
It's actually, I don't know. I mean, it's kind of cool looking, right? It's I actually like it in the clear slime better than the white slime. Oh, this one's way overactivated. You see it tear there? I don't. It doesn't look attractive, for sure.
No.
Like, I mean, would you buy this? I don't know if it would be even safe to sell, honestly. All right, so we have. I was about to put that on the table. We have that. This kind of looks like cheese dip, like
The white one, yeah.
like the queso cheese dip.
Yeah, it does.
Not bad, not bad. So we have that. Hold on, let me grab containers. We were talking about like what is this? Like it doesn't even close. I like the kinetic sand. Good choice on the kinetic sand. Good choice on the kinetic sand.
Yeah, this one was definitely my favorite. I like the clear one the best though.
Yeah, that's
I like the. Oh, this one like feels grittier than this one does for some reason. I don't know. Maybe it's just me.
good.
But I like the color of this one better.
The color came out amazing. All right, so that is Will It Mix. We will we'll be back next week. We'll see what we come up with and we'll try it again. Interesting enough. We'll see you guys next time. We hope you guys have a great day. Thank you guys for watching.